Hello friend, we will learn in today's video Sunday, Monday and January, February. So let's start. S U N D A Y Sunday. M O N D A Y Monday. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. F R I D A Y Friday. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. J A N U A R Y January. F E B R U A R Y February. M A R C H March. A P R I L April. M A Y May. J U N E June. J U L Y July. A U G U S T August. S E P T E M B E R September. O C T O B E R October. N O V E M B E R November. D E C E M B E R दिसंबर। दोस्तों इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।